Hey everybody, so I bought this Evercraft lift, 2¼ says here, ton, 4,500 pounds, 2,045 kilograms. Says it's a compact service jack. I've actually used it a couple times already. What I like about it is the convenience of it. I bought this at one of the local auto parts store, and I tell you, so far it's worked great. I've actually used this to pump her up here, tighten her down so you can see her in action. Crank her up over here. And as everybody knows, with these type of drills, jacks, you have to twist the handle, which tightens the cylinder so it's actually able to fill with the fluid. And as you see, it's slowly going to start lifting up my generator. And again, I'm not going to go very far. I'm just showing you how this thing works. And I'm going to slowly turn the handle counterclockwise, and you should see it go back down very gently. One thing I recommend is if you're going to use one of these, make sure you lower it gently. All of us know how heavy tractors are, and I actually used this to hold up my tractor when I was doing the service on it. And I tell you, my tractor is an RK25, probably weighs about 3,500 pounds, and I tell you, it did the job. Again, I know this thing says up to 4,000 pounds, and I had no issues with it. Obviously, I used my jacks to kind of hold up the axles, but overall, I like it. My only complaint for this jack is going to be where it connects right here. See how loose this is? And I don't know if this is, you can probably hear it. Probably can't see it too much. It's got a little bit of wiggle in it. I don't really care for that. The screw mechanism here, I don't know if there's a bolt missing. I don't believe there is, but if you look at it, you can see I don't believe there's a bolt missing, but if you look at it, you can see that this is where the screw is. I could probably put a bolt on the end of that and it might hold it tighter, but it just wiggles around too much. You know, I don't really care for it. But anyway, like I said, I bought this at Napa Auto Parts in my local area, and it's got its little connectors here for the grease fittings. Obviously, you need to grease it. If you don't have a grease gun, you might want to pick up a grease gun while you're there. If you're not familiar with what a grease gun is, this is a grease gun here. So again, if you're in the market for a jack, I thought this was pretty inexpensive. I wanted to get the next size up, but this was the one in between. And like I said, I think I paid just under $200 for it. So hope this helps. Take care.